Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Honor of Kings. To log out of Honor of Kings, launch open the Honor of Kings app on your device. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you will be able to find the logout button at the bottom right. Simply tap on that and click on confirm. After tapping the confirm button, you'll be logged out of your account. You'll be prompted to either log in again or connect to your game account via a social account like Facebook, Google, Level Infinite Pass, etc. So that is how you can easily log out of Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'll be back in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.